Hi, my name is Hamza. I'm a student at Schenectady High School, and today's menu item is turkey tacos. When you open up your meal kit, you'll see a tortilla, black beans, your taco meat, cheese, an apple, and some milk. So the first thing you have to do is wash your hands. The next thing you have to do is heat up your meat. You can either do it on the stovetop or the microwave. Next, you're going to want to heat up your beans in the microwave. Take out your tortilla. You're going to place it on your plate. Add your taco meat. Next, you're going to sprinkle on your cheese. And lastly, you can add black beans into the taco, or you can eat it as a side. Thanks for watching this turkey taco recipe. There are lots of variations you can try at home. Check out our other videos for more recipes.